Welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we will make rice upma, that is Arisi Upma. We will make this with Idly rava. Idly rava is boiled rice. So this upma made with boiled rice rava will be very tasty. So I have taken 1 cup of Idly rava. I have also taken 1 green chilli. If you need, you may take 1 more green chilli, a piece of ginger and a sprig of curry leaves. In a pot, add about 1 tablespoon of oil, and when the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of Urad dal and 1 teaspoon of Channa dal. With this, add half a teaspoon of asafoetida. Adding asafoetida gives very good taste for the upma. Now fry the spices. When the mustard seeds splutter and the dal becomes golden brown in color, add 1 sprig of curry leaves and 1 cut green chilli and the ginger. You may cut the ginger to fine pieces or grate it. It's better to grate it because it will not be wasted. So when you fry it for about 1 or 2 minutes, and now add the rava, the idli rava to it, and fry the idli rava for 2 to 3 minutes when there will be a good aroma. Only when you fry the rava, the upma will not form lumps. It will be very nice. So fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. For 1 cup of idli rava, you can take about 3 to 3.5 cups of water and boil it. The water should boil well. Now add salt. I have added 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You may add salt as per your taste and mix the salt to the idli rava. Now carefully add the boiling water to the rice rava. Be very careful because it will start spilling out. So be very careful and add it. You can see that it is boiling. It will start to boil immediately. Now mix it well and keep it on medium flame. And now take about half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and make a coarse powder of it and add about half to 3/4 spoon of it to the upma, which will give very good aroma to the upma. That's very good taste. Now mix everything well and cover it with a lid and leave it for about 5 to 6 minutes when the upma will be done. Now let's make a gostu. Gostu is like a sambar. Now I have taken 1 small lemon size tamarind and have taken about half a cup of lukewarm water and soaked this tamarind in it. Now the upma will be done. It is soft. It will cook very fast because we are adding boiling water to the idli rava. It is done well and cooked well and all the water is absorbed. It is perfect now. When it comes to this consistency, I have added 2 teaspoons of ghee. If you don't use ghee, you may avoid it. Otherwise, add ghee, mix it and close it and keep, and it will give very good taste. Now in a pot, add about 2 teaspoons of oil, and when the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of Urad dal and half a teaspoon of Channa dal. Now fry this. When the mustard seeds splutter and the dals turn golden in color, add a sprig of curry leaves to it. And when the curry leaves are fried, add 1 to 2 green chilies cut into small pieces and a small piece of ginger cut into fine pieces or grated. Add this and fry it well for a minute. That's enough. Now when it is fried, I have taken one small medium sized carrot and cut it to small pieces. So add the cut carrots to it, and I have also cut one potato to small pieces and I have added to it. I have added only carrot and potato. If you have brinjal, you may add one brinjal also, which will be very tasty. Now I have added one tomato cut to small pieces. I am not adding any onion to it. I'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add half a teaspoon of asafoetida to it and add required salt. I am adding 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You may add salt as per your taste. Now saute well and let the vegetables cook for about 5 minutes. When they are half done, when you press the potato, it will be half cooked and the carrot will also be half cooked. There is no need for it to cook fully. It can cook half. So when these are done, now fry it well and add the tamarind juice. Add about 1 to 1.5 cups of water to the tamarind and make a juice, strain it and add it to this. When the cooked vegetables boil in the tamarind water, it will be very tasty. Now let the gostu boil. It will start boil. So cover it with a lid and let it boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. By then we will make the chutney for it. I have taken about 2 tablespoons of fried gram and I have taken 1 red chilli, dry red chilli. Making chutney with the dry red chilli for this upma will be very tasty, so try it this way. I have added half a teaspoon of salt. You may add salt as per your taste. Just pulse it for some time, pulse the mixie for some time so that the fried grams are powdered. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut and add some water to it and make a chutney and season it with mustard seeds, urad dal and curry leaves. Now the gostu will also be done. The vegetables will be well cooked and it is boiled very well, and when there is good aroma, take about 2 teaspoons of besan, that is gram flour, add about a tablespoon of water, make a slurry out of it and add it to this. Adding besan will give good taste to this. When it boils for about 5 minutes, add coriander leaves and this is done. This is a very tasty side dish for this upma, especially this upma. It will be very, very tasty. Though we have not added any masalas, extra masalas and onion or garlic, this will be very tasty. This is not a sambar also, but this is called a gostu, that is a special side dish for rice upma. So rice upma with chutney and gostu is a very good combination. Do try it and you will be very happy to have had a very tasty meal. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe, press the bell icon and choose the all option, then you will get notification for all the videos that I post. You can make all the recipes without missing them and enjoy it. And do comment without fail. Your comment and likes are a great support to the channel. So I expect all of you and many more to subscribe, watch the videos and comment. Let's meet in the next video.